I started October 3rd of 1994, and within the first 2 weeks of my employment, I had 3 jury trials. So I started out running, and pretty much have been running ever since, working very hard in the office. Within the first several years, I had worked on murder cases and tried 2 murder cases with head co-counsel, but had worked on several homicide cases and had the opportunity to learn and continue to grow throughout my career, including everything from magistrate supervisor of the magistrate attorneys all the way through other leadership positions. I was trial team leader, headed up our domestic violence unit. In 2003, Greg asked me if I would begin a domestic violence unit and begin to work on the area of domestic violence in the criminal justice system, both improving our work within the Ada County Prosecutor's Office, but also other criminal justice and community partners. And so I began a journey in 2003 to do that, and have, in a lot of ways, been involved in transformational improvements to our system, both within our office but also out in the community. For example, the Faces Family Justice Center is a good example of leadership from Greg and support from Greg, that he gave me the reins, and that I was able to get that to a place now where we're very successful, and we have co-location of the police department and health and welfare and the hospitals, both St. Luke's and St. Al's, to give victims a one-stop shop for victim services that wrap services around a victim when they walk in the door for child abuse, domestic violence, adult sexual assault, elder abuse, things like that, that really improve our reaction to crime in the community and help our victims. So I've been very lucky to have a boss who has supported me in all the efforts that I've been able to accomplish throughout my career, including death penalty cases, and having the opportunity to work on some very challenging murder cases, which have further developed my career and leadership ability.
Mm-hmm. How will your role change now from what it's been the last couple of years as the chief of staff?
It will change significantly in the sense that now I have the title of Ada County Prosecuting Attorney. However, I have been running the office, of course, with Greg's support for the last couple of years as chief of staff. Have had all the employees under me, so I had reported directly to Greg, but everyone else reported directly to me. And so in that sense, I have had a lot of wonderful experience dealing with the day-to-day challenges of the Ada County Prosecuting Attorney. It is a challenging job. It's a busy job. It's the busiest prosecutor's office in the state of Idaho. But I'm up to the challenge because I've been doing the job, and I know that I can do the job.